there, my name is Dr. Kristen, and you know what? We've been talking a lot about neurodiversity, neurospicy brains, and how much I love them. Let's start this week off with talking about accommodations. What kind of accommodations you might be able to implement at home, at work, at school, for college, all the areas in your life. Sometimes it's having that small accommodation, that small change that gets us to be able to do the things that we've been really struggling to do. I do really well with sticky notes, especially if they are in multicolored sticky notes and if they're in places that I tend to see often. I can put in, here's this, or this, or this. Having a calendar that's color coordinated so I know when doctor's appointments are, when meetings are, when different things with schools come up. And that way my brain can look at it all the time to say, hey, this is actually something that's really beneficial, especially for someone who doesn't do well at holding all that knowledge in our heads. Body doubling is phenomenal for getting things done. It doesn't even need to be someone who comes in and is doing something with you. It could be you're on the phone with someone and then you end up cleaning. You have someone else in the room with you and then you get your homework done. Just another person around your coworker sitting closer to you in the same vicinity. Body doubling. Our brain says, oh look, someone else is here. Let's get the things done. Coming in with understanding where your sensory needs are. If you have a harder time in crowds, let's put in some loops. The noise canceling headphones. Let's get some other headphones to put in there. Let's go and chew gum because that activates our parasympathetic nervous system and starts to calm us down. And or have some really sour candy or menthol cough drops because, those menthol cough drops will keep us breathing and open and a lot more. Do you have a hard time with verbal instructions? Have someone write it down. Have someone wait so you can write it down, so you can have these instructions so you know exactly what they're looking for and you don't have to come back and ask 13 different times. Or like struggle with the do I need to ask? Should I ask? That shame gremlin of coming in of why don't I know? I need to do this, I need to do this. Those small accommodations. Having fidgets to come in meetings, in schools, in sessions. I love fidgets. I will do this all the time. I love fidgets. It's things that help our brain focus because we're doing something else at the same time. What kind of things have you started adding to your life that are accommodations? Have you found some that are phenomenal? Have you found some that are like, this does not work as well, but let me try it again? Let me know.